Good afternoon. Today we're going to be talking about Yamaha's set point, fish point, and drift point features. First of all, fish point has two options, bow or stern. What that is going to do is maintain boat position. So right now we'll demonstrate fish point bow. You're going to activate it with the fish point button on your joystick. And as you can see from the indication on the Garmin and the CL5 display, that fish point bow is now active. What that's going to do is allow the boat to orientate itself against whatever current, wind, whatever your predominant force is. You can see here we're not getting any closer or further away from the buoy, and the boat is maintaining its position by itself. To deactivate this feature, all you have to do, put the boat in or out of gear, or just press the fish point button again. In order to switch between fish point bow and fish point stern, on your CL5 display, you're going to swipe left twice. You go to boat settings, joystick and set point, and then fish point setting. You'll click on it, and then you can pick bow or stern. I'm just going to put it on bow because that's what we were on.